moving.
How much wind do you have?
All right. What torch have you got that's going to work underwater?
Nick.
Yeah, he's in.
Feels clear.
That's right, it's a lured rudder. About 10 o'clock at night, and Nick and I have just been for our first swim of 2015. Seems to be quite a lot of rubbish around. It's actually a bit of an eye-opener. I think they've had quite a bit of rain over there in Malaysia. We're in the Straits of Malacca, so there's a narrow gap here between Indonesia and Malaysia, and basically it's a sea of rubbish, and it's you know, it's quite sad really to see. You know, we're more concerned about it getting caught on our keel than anything, so we just went over and had a look under there, but on the grand scale of things it's not a really big deal. The rubbish around here is horrendous.
Bit of land, put a bit of current, just trying to minimise our time in the current. So there's a little reef that comes off here, so we're just trying to shave around it.
Okay, Dave, you're good to come lower. Okay, so happy for you to sail your VMG angle.
This is ridiculous. There's 4 of us here and we're just shuffling back and forwards and pretty coastal racing, and it's busy, and we've just taken a couple of miles out of these guys and overtaken Brunel, so it feels nice though, going well.
Go girl! Good course. Get started on the flight.
Very interesting this part, where the fleet were very compact.
Now, stay ahead for the upwind. That's when the boat ahead.
Basically, there is a big rain in the shore that is pushing out some breeze. Now towards the boat closer to the shore, and they are parked. They were in front of us by 1 mile, and now they are parked, pointing offshore. And it's nice after 20 days of sailing to be so close with another boat. Abu Dhabi is here in front. It's nice to see also the faces of the friends of the other boats after a lot of days of ocean. It's nice.